Hello there and welcome to this course on LinkedIn advertising. My name is Aaron Connolly and this is my business partner Dylan Healy, and together we've set up this business animationexplainers.com. We have been using LinkedIn for a long time to generate leads online. We've been using our LinkedIn business account to generate more leads for our company, and I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. So feel free to visit our website, which is attached to my Udemy profile, or just connect with me on LinkedIn. My LinkedIn profile is also attached to my Udemy profile. So what you're going to learn in this LinkedIn advertising course is as follows. So in section 1, you're going to learn the LinkedIn Ads Essentials. So you're going to learn absolutely everything you need to know about what you need to get started with LinkedIn ads. You're going to learn how to design the perfect LinkedIn ad. We're going to talk about the perfect email, so how to message people using personalized content so you can maximize your responses. We're going to find, create and post content which you can later use for your sponsored content. And in section 2, we're going to dive straight into LinkedIn advertising. So we're going to go through the campaign manager basics. We're going to set up our conversion tracking on our website. I'm going to show you how to post sponsored content, how to set up lead generation forms, how to create text ads, and how to create sponsored emails as well. So what you need to start is a LinkedIn business account. You need a product or service to sell. You need to have a rough idea of who your target audience are, so who would like to buy your product or service. You need a defined daily budget to spend each day on LinkedIn ads. And most importantly, you need a positive mindset like Mr. Happy over here. How to use this course. So I'd advise you to take notes as you go along. Take a break in between each lecture. There's a Q&A section also with this course. So if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out in the Q&A section and I'll answer any of your queries within 24 hours. Most importantly, guys, please leave a 5-star review at the end of this course, because I'm a relatively new instructor in Udemy and you've no idea how important 5-star reviews are in creating these courses and getting them out there for you. The more 5-star courses I can create, that means the better content I can put out there, and hopefully I can provide you with even more top-notch courses as well. If for any reason that you feel like the course isn't up to a 5-star standard, please contact me, message me on Udemy, tell me how I can improve it, and I will go ahead and I'll make whatever changes necessary, or I'll add in any content that you feel should be in the course, so that we can together make this course the best that it can possibly be on Udemy. Thanks guys, and I'll see you in the first lecture.